Want to travel to the Philippines on a budget? You're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering 25 ultimate travel hacks that will make your Philippine adventure both exciting and affordable. We'll talk about everything from finding flight deals and affordable accommodations to eating like a local and exploring free cultural sites. We've got tips and tricks that will help you make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. So, let's dive into the first hack, shall we? Hack number 1 is all about flight deals to the Philippines. Instead of booking your flights outright, why not use apps like Skyscanner or Hopper? These tools will track flight prices for your chosen dates, alerting you when prices dip. Setting up alerts months ahead will give you a chance to snag the best deals. Moving on to hack number 2, luggage forwarding services. Who wants to lug around heavy bags on ferries or tricycles? Not us. That's where local services like LBC Express come in. For a low fee, they'll send your bags ahead to your next destination, saving you the stress and the backache. Now let's talk about hack number 3, cheap island hopping. It might be tempting to book island hopping tours online before you arrive, but hold off. Wait until you touch down and negotiate group deals directly with boat operators. You'll be surprised at the savings you can make. For hack number 4, we're looking at affordable accommodations. Hotels can be pricey, but apps like Airbnb or Booking.com offer a wealth of alternatives. From homestays to guest houses, there's something for every budget. And here's a pro tip: negotiate long-term stays for even better rates. Finally, hack number 5, eat like a local. Touristy restaurants will often inflate their prices, but you can enjoy delicious, authentic Filipino cuisine without breaking the bank. All you need to do is follow the locals to the carinderias or street food stalls. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a taste of real Filipino culture. That's just the beginning. Let's move on to the next set of hacks. For our 6th hack, we're going to talk about the unlimited rice hack.
Kumain na po.
Kumain na, ayaw niya na.
Bakit?
Masarap naman. Baka pangit yung ano mong variety.
Anong variety?
In the Philippines, rice is the cornerstone of every meal. Many eateries offer unlimited rice with your order, so keep an eye out for signs that say "Unli rice." This is a terrific way to maximize your meal budget, especially if you have a big appetite. Next up, let's talk about getting around. While taxis may seem like the most convenient mode of transport, they can quickly eat into your budget. Instead, try using jeepneys and tricycles, the local modes of transport. They are much cheaper and offer a unique and authentic way to travel. Just make sure you learn the routes and fare matrix to avoid being overcharged. For our 8th travel hack, we're discussing the hidden gem of free walking tours. Major cities like Manila and Cebu offer these tours where you can take in the sights and learn about the local history and culture. While these tours are free, tips are always appreciated but not mandatory. Now, let's talk about staying connected. Instead of racking up huge bills with international roaming, opt for a local SIM card with a data plan. Local companies like Globe and Smart offer affordable options, ensuring you can stay connected without breaking the bank. Lastly, let's discuss cheap thrills. The Philippines is a vibrant country with a rich culture, and there are always free or donation-based community events, performances, and festivals happening. These events offer a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture while sticking to your budget. We're making progress. Ready for more? The 11th hack is all about saving on seasonal fruits. When you're in the Philippines, take advantage of the country's rich agricultural bounty. Buy fruits from local markets when they're in season. They're cheaper, fresher, and taste significantly better. A must-try is the Philippine mango, hailed as one of the sweetest in the world. Moving on to the 12th hack, we're talking about discounted activities. To get the best rate on your adventures, use apps like Klook or Traveloka to book your activities. These platforms often offer discounts that are not available on site, helping you save quite a bit on your budget. For our 13th hack, let's discuss water. Tap water in the Philippines isn't always safe to drink. Instead of constantly buying bottled water, refill your bottle at your hotel or at filtered water stations. This hack is not just budget-friendly, but also environmentally responsible. The 14th hack is for those of you who might need extra space for all the souvenirs you plan to bring back. Markets like Divisoria in Manila sell affordable luggage or backpacks. They may not be designer brands, but they'll certainly do the job without breaking the bank. Finally, speaking of souvenirs, our 15th hack is all about smart shopping. When buying keepsakes, skip the malls and head straight to local markets. They offer the same items at a fraction of the cost. You'll not only save money, but you'll also get a more authentic shopping experience. We're halfway through our list. Let's keep the momentum going. Our 16th hack is for the DIY enthusiasts out there. If you're the type who loves a good project, why not apply that to your travels? Forge your own path by researching and creating your own itinerary instead of relying on paid tours. B-roll blogs, YouTube, and travel forums are treasure troves of insider information that can help you discover hidden gems and avoid tourist traps. Next up, consider the world of hospitality exchange. Platforms like Couchsurfing or Be Welcome allow you to stay with locals for free, offering not just a cost-saving opportunity, but also a chance to gain authentic experiences and insights about the local culture that you can't get from a hotel stay. The 18th hack is all about timing. Visiting popular destinations during the off-peak season can be a game changer. Not only are prices generally lower, but you'll also avoid the throngs of tourists, allowing you to enjoy attractions at a more leisurely pace. Now, if you're a student or a senior, don't forget to bring your ID on your travels. Many places offer discounts on entry fees for these groups, so make sure to take advantage of these savings. It's a small thing, but it can add up over the course of your trip. B-roll last, but not least for this segment, immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Philippines by exploring free cultural sites. Churches, public parks, and some museums don't charge admission, offering you a wealth of experiences at no cost. This is a great way to stretch your budget without compromising on the quality of your travel experience. B-roll, we're nearing the end. Let's move on to our final set of hacks. Hack number 21 is all about discounted groceries. If you're in the Philippines, make a beeline for the local wet markets towards the end of the day. That's when vendors are more likely to discount fresh produce rather than let it go to waste. You'll get the freshest fruits and veggies at a fraction of the cost. Perfect for those DIY meals. Moving on to hack number 22. Consider packing a hammock. Especially if you're heading to beach areas, a hammock can be a cost-effective alternative to renting huts or lounges for the day. Plus, it's a great way to truly soak in the serene beach vibes. For hack number 23, we're talking about bike rentals. In some tourist areas, biking is not only an eco-friendly option, but it's also cheaper than motorized transport. Plus, you have the added benefit of exploring at your own pace. Just remember to wear a helmet and stay safe. Let's dive into hack number 24, volunteering for accommodation. Some hostels and farms in the Philippines offer an interesting exchange. A few hours of work a day in return for free lodging. It's a win-win situation. You get to save on accommodation costs and gain a unique experience at the same time. Finally, hack number 25. Night bus savings. Consider taking an overnight bus or ferry between destinations. It's a great way to cut costs as you'll save on one night's accommodation. Just make sure you have a good neck pillow and earplugs for a comfortable journey. And that's a wrap on our 25 ultimate travel hacks for budget travel in the Philippines. So there you have it, folks. We've uncovered 25 ultimate travel hacks for budget travel in the Philippines. From snagging the best flight deals, navigating local transport, finding affordable accommodations, to savoring local cuisine and making the most of free or discounted activities. Every corner turned unravels a new way to save and experience the Philippines authentically. Remember, with these hacks in your pocket, budget travel in the Philippines is well within your reach. Happy travels!